Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this solely to take your decision. So friends, here you can see a weekly chart of natural gas futures. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures behaved during the past few weeks. Here you can see that how the natural gas futures have been facing stiff resistance at the levels of the 3.832 from a long time. Here you can see that how the natural gas futures were creating lower lows, but on the upper side, finally the natural gas futures found a breakout above this bullish flag during the last week when the natural gas futures started an uptrend from the levels of the 3.7 and tested a high at the levels of the 4.1. So friends, here you can see that finally the natural gas futures found an entry into this bullish zone. Why I call this a bullish zone? Because here I've already discussed this that the natural gas futures have been repeating the moves what we have seen in the year 2018 when the natural gas futures found a breakout above the psychological resistance at $4 in November 2018, and after that the natural gas futures continued to sustain well above the levels of the 4.2. But here you can see that how the volatility was there very high during that year, and here you can see that how the natural gas futures found stiff resistance at the levels of the 4.6 and finally found a downward move during the month of December. So you can see that since then the natural gas futures remained under heavy bearish pressure below the levels of the 3.826, but it finally tested during the month of December 2018 and continued to remain under pressure when the natural gas futures finally tested a low at the levels of 1.432 during the month of June 2020, and since then the natural gas futures have been maintaining this uptrend where we have seen a steep upward move from the levels of 1.860 up to the levels of 3.4 during the month of October 2020. But once again, selling pressure was there from November 2020 and the natural gas futures remained below the psychological resistance at $3, which was a psychological support up to here. But once the natural gas futures started to trade below the levels of $3, this support turned into a extensive resistance for a long time when the natural gas futures finally found a breakout above this psychological resistance at $3 in May 2021. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures have been maintaining current uptrend from the levels of the 2.852 what it tested during the month of May 2021. Since then we have seen a sharp uptrend in natural gas futures, and when the natural gas futures have finally found a breakout above the second psychological resistance at $4, where I find that the natural gas futures could try to sustain well above this second psychological resistance to test the next psychological resistance at $5. So friends, here I find that during the last week we have seen this extensive bullish move from the levels of the 3.7 when the natural gas futures finally tested a high at the levels of the 4.080. But during this week the natural gas futures have shown an extremely volatile move. So friends, here you can see that how the natural gas futures behaved during this week when the natural gas futures finally found a strong support at the upper end of this bullish flag. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures have shown a strong buying support here at the levels of the 3.832 at the upper end of this bullish flag, and currently once again trading well inside this bullish zone. So here I would like to tell you that just after 15 minutes we are going to have the weekly inventory announcement, whereas the previous week's injection levels were 49 billion cubic feet, and for this week the expected level is for 43 billion cubic feet. So in few minutes we are going to see that what will be the actual level of injection this time. So here I find that if the injection level remains on the lower side for this week, we'll see the natural gas futures could find a sharp upward move from the current levels, whereas the natural gas futures have been currently trading at the levels of $3.984. So friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures find a sustained move after the announcement of today's inventory above the levels of $4.068, we'll see this uptrend to continue, where the immediate resistance for natural gas futures will be at the levels of $4.159 and the next resistance will be at the levels of $4.218. So friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures find a weekly closing above the levels of $4.231, we'll see this uptrend to continue during the upcoming week. So friends, now let us check this move in a daily time frame. So here in a daily time frame, here you can see that how the natural gas futures have been maintaining well above the 9 days moving average. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures found stiff resistance at the levels of $4.196 on July 26, from where we have seen a sharp downward move when the natural gas futures finally tested a low yesterday at the levels of $3.888, where we have seen a sharp reversal from here, and finally you can see that how the natural gas futures have been currently maintaining well at the levels of $3.984 after testing a low at the levels of $3.928. So friends, I find that this move looks evident enough for a sharp upward reversal from here, as I've already explained in my last video, that why the level of $3.888 could be very supportive for natural gas futures, from where we can see a technical bounce, because this seems to be double bottom for natural gas futures in a daily time frame, because here you can see that how the natural gas futures found the level of $3.888 for a sharp bouncing move on July 22nd, and once again the natural gas futures have retested this level on July 28th. So here you can see that the formation of a bullish candle well above the levels of $3.949 in today's move could keep this uptrend intact, where a breakout above the levels of $4.110 in today's move will confirm the continuity of this bullish trend in natural gas futures. And here I find that if the natural gas futures maintain this uptrend, the natural gas futures could test the levels of $4.229 before this weekly closing, where a breakout above this immediate resistance could push the natural gas futures up to the next resistance at $4.431. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.